In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay T-Mobile Protection 360 bill online. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key detail. T-Mobile Protection 360 is not usually billed as a separate payment. Instead, it is included as part of your regular monthly T-Mobile bill as a line item on your statement. That means if you want to keep your Protection 360 coverage active, you simply need to pay your T-Mobile bill through one of T-Mobile's official online payment options. To get started, go to the official T-Mobile support or billing page, then access the My T-Mobile website. Once you're there, log into your account dashboard, make sure you're using the correct account and a secure internet connection, especially if you're entering payment information. If you're on a shared or public device, it's also a good idea to log out when you're done. After signing in, look for the Pay Bill option on the home screen. In some cases, you may need to open the billing section instead. Both paths lead you to the same goal, which is the page where you can review and submit your payment. Take a moment here to confirm that you're viewing the correct account balance so you know exactly what you're paying. Next, choose your payment amount. You can typically select the full balance if you want to pay the entire bill, or you may be given the option to enter a custom partial payment amount. If your main goal is to keep all services, including Protection 360, in good standing, paying the full amount is usually the safest option. If you choose a partial payment, just make sure you understand how that may affect your account status. Once you've selected the amount, enter your payment details securely. This may include your card or bank information depending on the payment method you prefer. As you type, double-check everything carefully to avoid delays or failed transactions caused by simple errors. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to process and authorize your payment. Review the details one last time before submitting, then complete the payment. After it goes through, watch for a confirmation message or receipt so you know the transaction was successful. Saving a screenshot or confirmation email can also be helpful for your records. And that's it. Since Protection 360 is included in your monthly T-Mobile statement, paying your bill online through the My T-Mobile website is the way to keep that coverage current.